sir from Nigeria, and I would like to unmute you, sir, for your comment. I have unmuted you, sir. You can add your very good evening.
Can you hear me? All right. Evening. Today lecture team leader and the entire team for work done. Today is insightful for overall enterprising and a lot of employment benefits and benefits. Our people will say if you're not informed, you'll be deformed. You can see I posited last week that our research center is set in curbing and reducing unemployment dramatically, drastically in the global phenomenon. And from what I've learned today, it's just for me to go down, rethink, and re-strategize on how to make it. That's why the economic global recession. With this insight from our research institute, I think even if you're not a rich man, one can live averagely okay. So I appreciate you with your vision and other team members of the institute, the research center. I also appreciate all attending this program. Let us put in practice what you have learned, because that is the basic aim of learning. It's a change in behavior. That is the complete stage of learning. When there is a change in behavior, it's then learning is said to have taken place in human being. So I'm appealing to all of us to put in place what we have studied, not learned, because we become learning after there is a reflection in our behaviors. So thank you. I'm so happy. I'm empowered academically. I'm empowered upstairs. It's just a transformation of what I have in the inner brain there to the physical DC manifestation. And that what will catapult me from poverty to the other level and looking up. Education is really power. The man from one of the African countries spoke about education. That is it. It is not the only tools to circumvent poverty, the only tools to change one's socioeconomic structure, the only thing to do what is worthwhile is sound education that is rooted on sound knowledge that has been updated and upgraded every minute as done in this research institute. I'm so grateful. Thank you, our team leader. Thank you, every other person. Kudos and God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful message from you, and I think that you are inspiring all the young people to do and go into the Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Now, I would like to take the opportunity to unmute Smriti Mehta, our collaboration officer, to add her comments in this presentation. Smriti Mehta from India. Over to you.
Thank you, sir, for unmuting me. Sir, my voice is audible?
Audible, yeah. Very
good. So good evening to one and all the talented people who have joined us. We are very blessed to be the part of Eudoxia Research Center. And today we have wonderfully inaugurated with the support of all our eminent leaders, our speakers, our eminent great professors, and with Rituraj Saikia sir, the inaugural program of IEEE PLP. It was an excellent starting with the topic corporate leadership and startup idea implementation. Sir has beautifully covered the topic, and with a beautiful example of the McDonald's, he had covered all the important points which we must keep in mind while starting our startup idea. How to start, identify what, and the conclusion part was the most important. First, we should identify the problem, because everybody needs the solution of the problem, and any business work only when the solution we give them. Without solution, no business is done. So first we need to find the problem, then only we can solve that problem through the business idea, and which can be the win-win situation for the entrepreneurs. And obviously, most and foremost, about without market research, without business strategy study, can't be possible. And the beautiful part that we have to create the trust building, because earlier in the days, what was required that the customers was not important, but now the customers are important. What we have to first see the taste of the customer, then only we can survive in the market. So it's a very wonderful session, sir. And the first and the most important, you have covered the application of technology, which is most important, because in this COVID era, we have completely dependent on the technology. So any startup idea must touch the technology, and with a clear concept, those who are handling this idea, those who are going to handle this startup idea, they should be technology driven, so that they can, whatever they are going to come up with the tackles or problems, they can have a support with the technology, and a few seconds anything we can be solved. So thank you so much, sir, with a very beautiful example, with a wonderful presentation by you, sir. So thank you once again, sir. And I am ready to learn a lot and lot in other sessions also. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, and Regan, for Smriti Mehta, collaboration officer from Eudoxia Research Center. So thank you. And this is true that we are always going with the realistic approach and the idea. And it needs the market research, it needs the problem solving attitude. And I'm also sharing that whatever you have seen Eudoxia today in 193 countries. One interesting point is that whenever Eudoxia is working with the same model, so many societies are growing, but why not surviving? It's all the magic. Just like that, we need always the brand. We need the trust, and Eudoxia is building always the trust among the researcher, because researchers know that